Linear motion in aerospace manufacturing and tooling. Linear guide systems play a pivotal role in the aerospace manufacturing and tooling sector, as they deliver the unwavering reliability and pinpoint precision that this strictly regulated industry mandates in aircraft assembly. Engineers integrate linear motion components into the production lines to promote seamless and noiseless operations. This ensures the exact alignment and fitting of various aircraft components. Among these elements are linear rails and bearings that facilitate the smooth movement of seats, armrests, and footrests, enhancing the overall assembly process. The utilization of linear motion guide systems in aerospace tooling and machining processes paves the way for precise shaping and cutting of aerospace components. These systems contribute to reduced weight, improved fuel efficiency, and exacting movement in satellite systems. Linear motion components are instrumental in enabling precise movements for satellite deployment, mechanisms, and solar panel positioning. They are commonly employed in guidance systems where the utmost reliability and accuracy are imperative. Linear guide systems are capable of meeting the stringent requirements and precise specifications demanded for accurate satellite positioning, ensuring optimal performance in space applications.